What is good, fam? I wanted to make this video today out of all days. It's 10:30. I've made no money today whatsoever on Instacart. So I woke up early. I missed a 59 at like 6:50 right before the drop, and then there was like another order that I should have taken, but it was like a 37 triple. It wasn't that good, and I just let it slide, and I was like, whatever, I'm gonna get something else. So I waited for another hour, and then Var called me and said he got a 40, and I was like, well shoot, I didn't see that either. I went to Costco at 10. There was a 47. I missed it because I was being picky, you know, because I wanted a banger for Costco. And then they showed me a whole bunch of 20s that were doubles, a good amount of items. Just weren't really good orders at all. Sometimes when they aren't showing me orders for like a while, and I know other shoppers like at this store are getting orders, what I'll do is I'll restart my phone. I'll turn it off, I'll turn it back on.
A few moments later.
Okay. So I wish I would have screen recorded it, but 3 orders just dropped. It was a 19, a 45, and something else I didn't really get the chance to look at. I clicked in the 19, then I got a notification for the 45. I clicked the notification for the 45, got in, clicked it, and then it said something went wrong, and all 3 of the orders disappeared from my screen. I don't have good days every day, okay? Because sometimes stuff like this does happen. What I'm gonna do, since it just did that, there's no orders on my screen right now. The orders that I did hide that I didn't want to see, they're not there anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart my phone. The app's opening up. Okay, and it says back to batch. This is exactly what I'm talking about. What batch? You know what? I'm kind of glad I recorded this. You seen I wasn't seeing any orders. I turned my phone off, turned it back on, and now it says I got an order. This is 18 items. So this was the $19 order. It was like 6 miles that I tried to get, and then it didn't say I got it. There you go. That's like a prime example of Instacart is weird. I know that this is the 21 because I looked, it was 18 items and it was 6 miles, and I did click it, but then I clicked out of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the L. I'm just gonna go do this order just because I haven't done anything. If you want the IKEA bags that I use to like pack my bags in, I'm gonna link them in the description. You can get them off of Amazon. I was at the light right outside of Costco, and they showed me a 67 Costco, 7 miles, 28 items, but it's 49 units, so it's a pretty bulky one. It's just a bunch of snacks, fruit, and then they got a bunch of soda and sparkling water. So yeah, fun stuff. All right, so like I said, it was a huge order. So my mom showed up to help me because, you know, I love her. All right, so we got it all packed up, fit pretty well. We're just gonna drive over there. Fingers crossed they have a cart or 2. That would be great. Big man in town. Them shoulda know say me I keep it crown. I just love when people make things harder than they need to be. I walked up there, saw the front desk lady. There was a cart right next to her. And I was like, oh, can I take this cart? And she's like, no, not that one. There's another one. So we go look for the other cart. And then she's like, well, you know, this cart has a problem with one of the wheels. All right, fam, it's 12:37. We just finished that order. It put us at $81 for the day. Fun. That's horrible. And them can't be found, still man fight the fight me now. It's 2:41. I've been here for well over an hour, and I was talking to a couple of the people who were like here on a daily basis who I know. So there's been orders today, like bangers. Like somebody got a 109 this morning. I missed the 59 this morning. Var saw a 75 not too long ago, and I didn't see any of these orders. That's just the shady, like sketchy, weird, stupid part of Instacart now. 2 to 3 years ago when I first started, they showed everyone the same thing, and whoever got in and got the order first got it. Now they do this weird thing where like sometimes they put you on a bad list and they're not showing you orders that day, or they'll show you some but they won't show you all of them. That's just how the game goes nowadays. I just got a 40. It's 9 miles, double, 55 items, 74 units. It's a pretty bulky order, but you just gotta roll with the punches some days. Still a believer. Even if we get that gone, we keep the bones that see me from. Just got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner. Yeah.
still a believer. Tell them I'm a winner. Oh, 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 oh. Nah, pato, nah, Joe, nah, Tony, nah, sinner. Yeah.
My camera's SD card was full, so I have to use my iPhone. But anyway, this is how I use my IKEA bags. They're lifesavers. I love them so much.
Still a believer. Even if we get knocked down, we keep the bones. Now see me from, Jack got me family.
IKEA bags. Go get you some. That last order I did was for $30-something. It was only like 3 miles, but it was to an apartment building. After that 30, I came back to the house and they showed me a 35 miles. So I could have been at 180, really. I just didn't take it because I was cooking. We still made $150, over $150. That's half of 300. So I'm not really tripping. And I also just wanted to say, Instacart lately, they've been throttling everybody. So just now when I took that 30, VAR was sitting in the parking lot and another one of the shoppers that shops there all the time that we talk to got a 60 and VAR didn't see it. And that same shopper in the morning got a 109 and we didn't see it. And sometimes we get stuff and other people don't see it. The link is going to be in the description for the IKEA bags and I'll see you guys next time.
Give thanks, so when me I bleed. Set speed, I carry on now. Big man in town, them shoulda know say me I keep it crown, yeah.